ordinary neighborhood. Or was. Suburbs. Little town. It's really inexpensive with outside of main town. Says a milk cafe. Looks like a cappuccino. I mean, Americano. Esteban de Bernie from Stefan's Stories, and I'm in Lörrach, Schwarzstraße, Basel, outskirts, in the front of the bridge where what should house most of these little paintings, murals. Yes, yeah. Hopefully we'll see some. You'll be there. Ciao. Start moving, boys. Our canvas. Esteban de Bernie again from Stefan's Stories at my first set of canvases here in under Lorrach Open Bridge, I think. We found it too. I call it, start me. Yeah, we going. Okay, we have the young monkeys. You shall have the buckets. Number one, yeah, baby. How we go? You go. Walk fast. Let's do this. We gotta get it going. Everybody, Bernie here on Stefan's Stories. Oh, part one of Under the Bridge we finally found after 10 minutes of wandering. So, first half is done. We get the results. Ha-ha! Turn! We have a comet. The hell? You get this, loving Theo. This is good. Good enough. Yeah. Looks like a dirt bike, right? Woohoo! Yes, short route. Dirt bike. It's not warm. Turn. I'm calling it. Oh no. Not right. Oh no. This went bad. Go good, so good. Here we go. Water. Beer. It's a beer. Strong one. We got Mr. Chef from the Muppet Show. supposed to be something, but no. Turned something else. Mr. Bonnie Bernie here. Finished one half of the railway. One side of the Lorrach open bridge works. Other side, they messed them up. It's half. If they could build up higher. No. It's called the art went after the, well, besides the big old mount behind, it was went ha ha ha. The front, they kept the pace. And on the residential area, this access said, oh, it's so good. But on the side, railway side, no. Wawa! To the ponds! Little birdie! No, that's best bush. Alright, boys. We have the Muchi Wawa. I like this. Alright, Wawa! You here's the Babbling book. Shine, baby, shine. It's professional. I don't like the look, but this is professional. Forward, babies! Right, we have lookers. We're going for it. Professional. Professional. Kiki. Hello. Should we go? Mula. Shine. This is professional. Very professional. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's what happened? Bonnie Bernie from Stefan Stories. And well, calling from ending my tour now from the Lörrach Open Bridge Street Art. Under the bridge art. Yeah!